Peace in the midst of chaos. When I get overwhelmed and feel like everything is falling apart, sometimes I don't know which direction to go. Lately, my central nervous system has taken a few hits, and it's hard to stay grounded so I can get stable and become aware of what's happening. Just feeling my way out doesn't always work. I try breath work and meditation, and usually that helps. But during these times, if or when grief joins the total picture, I may start to spin out again. Getting out in nature seems to be the only thing that's worked for me most of the time. It is my saving grace many times. I am so grateful for the beauty near me. Retreating to the mountains is my favorite tool to use when life seems to not make sense anymore. Do you have a tool that works for you? If so, please put it in the comments. And if you're enjoying this content, please like and subscribe. Until we meet again,